Art of coffee roasting, unveiling the perfect roast for your cup. Coffee roasting is an essential process that transforms green coffee beans into an aromatic, flavorful beans we brew into our favorite drinks. Roasting affects the taste but also the aroma and body of the coffee. There are two primary methods of coffee roasting. The drum roasting. Beans are roasted in a rotating drum over a direct heat source, allowing for a deep, rich development of flavors. Next is hot air roasting. Beans are suspended in hot air, ensuring an even roast while preserving more of the coffee's natural brightness and acidity. The level of roasting determines the final characteristic of the coffee. The four primary roast levels, light, medium dark, and dark, offers distinct flavors and experiences. Light roast. Roasted for the shortest duration, just until the first crack, preserving most of the bean's original flavors. This emphasizes the bean's inherent qualities, often highlighting fruity and floral notes. Flavor profile is between high acidity, fruity, floral, tea-like, with no bitterness, and is best used in pour-overs like V60 or Chemex Brewers AeroPress Cold Brew. Based on appearance and characteristics, it has a light brown color with no visible oils on the surface, exhibiting higher acidity and a lighter body. Target consumers of light roast are specialty coffee enthusiasts, those who enjoy bright and complex flavors. A fun fact about this type of roast is, despite common belief, light roast coffee contains slightly more caffeine than darker roast, and as the prolonged roasting process reduces caffeine content. Medium roast, roasted beyond the first crack but stopping before the second crack, achieving a balance between the bean's natural flavor and roasting influences. This offers a harmonious flavor profile with balanced acidity, sweetness, and body. Best used in drip coffee, like filter machines, French press, espresso, and espressos for a smoother taste. This has a well-balanced acidity and sweetness like caramel, chocolate, nutty notes. Appearance and characteristics have medium brown hue with non-oily surface. Flavors are more pronounced, often with caramel or nutty undertones. Target consumers are casual coffee drinkers, those who want a balanced cup. And a fun fact about this is medium roast is the most popular roast level in the United States, therefore the American roast name. So medium dark roast. Roasted to the beginning or middle of the second crack, introducing deeper flavors and a heavier body. Best used in espresso, cappuccino, flat white, and mocha pot. Flavor profile, full-bodied, rich, slightly bitterness, hints of spice, or dark chocolate. This showcases rich, full-bodied flavors with reduced acidity. Appearance and characteristics are dark brown color with slight oil on the surface. Flavors may include chocolate, spice, or toasted nuts. Best for those who prefer a bolder taste without excessive bitterness. And a fun fact about this roast is this roast level is often preferred for espresso blends due to its robust flavor and balanced bitterness. Last is the dark roast, roasted well into the second crack, resulting into a bold and robust flavor profile. This roasting process overshadows the bean's original characteristics, imparting smoky, bitter, or burnt notes. Best used in espresso, Turkish coffee, cafe americano, or Vietnamese coffee. Flavor profiles of this type of roast is low acidity, deep smoky, roasted, and sometimes slightly burnt notes. Appearance and characteristics differ to dark brown to almost black with an oily surface, low acidity with a heavy, bold body. So, target consumers of this type of roast is strong coffee lovers, those who enjoy bold and smoky flavors. Fun fact, despite its strong flavor, dark roast coffee typically contains less caffeine than lighter roast, as caffeine diminishes with longer roasting times. And your perfect roast. Now that you know the secrets behind coffee roasting, it's time to indulge in the perfect cup that matches your taste. Whether you crave the bright and fruity notes of the light roast, the balanced depth of a medium roast, or the bold intensity of a dark roast, the perfect coffee experience awaits you. Choose your roast, brew your way, and savor every sip. Experience coffee the way it's meant to be. Your perfect roast is awaiting.